I'm Mandy. Welcome to Soup Talk Recipes. Today we're making bitter melon again. This is the vegetable that almost all kids grew up in south of China hated. Yes, it's bitter, it's also nutritious and has lots of health benefit. So parents tend to force the kid. And this is the recipe that my mom got me hooked onto eating bitter melon. That's how delicious it is. The secret is the good stuff in this can. Deep fried fish cured with fermented black beans. It's a popular Cantonese ingredient, so you should be able to get it from almost any Asian market. Just look for this long oval-shaped can. It should be obvious on the shelf. Take the fish out. There will be lots of oil and fermented black beans. We'll reserve them to cook, and they'll make your dish so yummy. Optionally, we will open the fish and remove the bones. Why is it optional? Because the fish is deep fried until the bones become fragile and edible. They will not stuck in your throat. The reason I remove it is that I can mentally feel comfortable because I don't want to think that I'm eating the bones. Break the meat into small pieces. I love douchilinyu since I was a little kid. It tastes kind of like jerky, but made with fish, and it is packed with the umami flavor from the fermented black beans. By the way, if you want to see me use this ingredient to make other recipes, let me know in the comment below. If there is enough demand, I'll consider it. Alright, set it aside. Let's prepare the bitter melon. Cut it in half, then quarter it. Remove the white spongy inside part because it is the most bitter part. Use a rounded teaspoon to scrape the last bit of the white part. Once it is clean, you can cut the bitter melon with a 45-degree angle into 1/3 of an inch thick slices. Season it with 1½ teaspoon of salt. Toss thoroughly. Then rub for a minute or two. The salt will draw out some moisture and reduce the bitter taste. Let it sit for 15 minutes. While waiting, you can slice a few cloves of garlic thinly. Cut a red chili into small pieces. This is just to add some bright color to the dish for presentation. If you don't eat spicy food, use bell peppers. Set them aside. Now, we can go back and check out the bitter melon. Squeeze out as much moisture as you can. Look how much liquid we got out. Discard that. Rinse the bitter melon with cold running water several times to remove the salt. The cells will start absorbing some water back, and it will become crunchy again. Drain it thoroughly. Turn the heat to medium. Add the fermented black bean and the oil mixture from the can. Add the garlic slices and stir until fragrant. Toss in the shredded fish and the drained bitter melon. Stir for a couple of minutes. We did rub the bitter melon with salt, but we also rinsed it out. So you still need to season the dish with 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and ½ teaspoon of sugar. The sugar will not make the dish sweet, but it does help to cut down the bitter taste. Keep cooking over medium heat for 3 more minutes to mingle everything. Before serving, toss in the red chili and mix well. You're done! This is a simple and delicious side dish. Although you can still taste a subtle bitterness, it really doesn't matter because the bitter melon is infused with lots of flavors, so it becomes pleasant to eat. I can finish 2 bowls of rice with it. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!